Step up! Step up! Set your compass for a new voyage. Join the roughest swaggering sea dogs, whatever set sail on the seven seas. Shut your scuppers. Silence there between decks. By Neptune's spear, if you joins me and me likely lads, you'll be spinning your coats out of gold. You'll have all the salt pork and hard tack you can stow away.
I'm in a pinch, I'm in a jam, I'm a stowaway kitty, I'm a cat on the lam. When I set paw on the deck of this ship, I never thought I would be tossing in this ironwood coffin. I'm undercover, I'm out of sight, hiding by day and prowling at night. The ship's cook is my best friend. Good thing that he's blind so he can feed me again. Cat o' nine tails, putting the wind back in your sails. Next to my story it all pales. Cat o' nine tails.
Cat o' nine tails, cat o' nine tails, meow.
You see, I've lived more lives than a litter of five. I've supped with queens and I know how to drive. When you meet Cleopatra and Jamaica Scratcher, the world is your pearl, so just let them try to catch ya. I've been round the world, yeah, they call me a roamer. I got more stories than Virgil or Homer. If you really wanna know where I start and begin, you better sit and listen to my story friend. Cat o' nine tails, putting the wind back in your sails. Next to my story it all pales. Cat o' nine tails.
Oh, zap, zap, go zap, go zap, go zap. Go zap, go zap, dizzy, bogato, katsaka.
Cat o' nine tails, cat o' nine tails, meow.
Cat o' nine tails.